Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the security password on the SafePal app. If you want to update your current security password, you can do it directly from the app's settings. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. Once the app is open, go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the security option and tap on it. Now you'll see different security-related options. Tap on Change Password. SafePal will first ask you to enter your old password. Enter your current password carefully. Next, enter your new password. Choose a password that is secure and that you can remember. After that, you'll need to confirm your new password by entering it again. Make sure both entries match correctly before continuing. Once the new password has been accepted, your security password will be changed successfully. From now on, you'll need to use your new password when SafePal asks for your security password. If you ever forget your password, don't share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone claiming they can reset it for you. Keep your wallet recovery information private and secure. And that's it. These are the simple steps to change your security password on SafePal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SafePal tutorials, crypto guides, and tech tips.